National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Union County, Illinois, northwestern Pulaski County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, north central Scott County, Missouri, southeastern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Trail of Tears State Park to near Benton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cape Girardeau, Commerce, Thames, Olive Branch, Pulaski, Cape Girardeau Airport, Dongola, Mill Creek, Ware, Jonesboro, Olin, East Cape Girardeau, Scott City, Olmsted, Kelso, Anna, and Thebes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 11 and 34. Interstate 55 between mile markers 84 and 99. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Cape Girardeau and Scott, and the following counties: in Illinois, Alexander, Pulaski and Union. A severe